In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the online tool app.photoroom.com to enhance your photos with light effects. Whether you are a photography enthusiast or a professional looking to add a creative touch to your images, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can bring your photos to life with just a few clicks. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to app.photoroom.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage with a variety of creative options right at your fingertips. Here, we're focused on enhancing your photos using light effects, so look for the Create section. Simply click on it to get started. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll enter a new interface that lets you select photos from your device or choose from existing templates. If you have a specific photo in mind that you want to edit, go ahead and select it by clicking on the Light Select Photos button. This is an intuitive process that allows you to upload directly from your computer, making it really easy to bring your personal images into the platform for editing. Now that your photo is loaded up and ready for some magic, it's time to play with the light effects. You should see an option to click on Light On button, which allows you to toggle the light effects on and off. This feature is incredibly handy as it lets you preview just how much the light effect will alter your image before any permanent changes are made. Experiment with different light positions and intensities until you find the perfect look that enhances your photo's natural beauty or brings out a desired dramatic effect. As you explore these settings, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. App.photoroom.com offers a user-friendly design that makes the editing process not just straightforward, but also enjoyable. Having a clear understanding of each tool provided can significantly enhance your editing experience and outcome. Feel free to experiment and see what different effects can do to transform your image. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, the next step is saving your newly edited masterpiece. Look for the download option to save the edit to your device. Make sure to choose the appropriate format for your needs. And there you have it, a beautifully edited photo with enhanced light effects, all accomplished through app.photoroom.com. With just a little bit of practice, you can easily replicate this process and begin to add more advanced techniques to your photo editing skills. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!